Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because okay, just ignore me. If you're new, my name is EMPRESSDEE. Welcome. Make sure you join the family and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I got you. Right, you guys, so we're starting with my base on, and my base has been on for roughly 7 hours, so I'm looking a bit shiny, so just ignore that for now. But we're going to jump right on in, and we're going to use the P.lousie blank canvas base. And I'm telling you now, if you do not have this base, you need this base in your life. So right now I'm just using the blank canvas base to draw the shape that I want to lay my eyeshadows on and blending it in. Right, so I started this using a different palette, but then changed it to the Jamrock palette in case you're wondering why you didn't see the red. And all I'm doing is laying the colors on in a circular pattern until I can't do so anymore, and I'll just fill in the sides with the extra colors. Right, so I'm just going to outline my tie-dye pattern using the True Bold silver glitter liner, and I'm going to go over it twice just so that it stands out. So we're just going to apply our mascara and a thin line of eyeliner just so that the lashes have something to sit on, using the Crayon case Sharpme liner. Then we are going to apply our lashes, and our lashes are from Luvin Golden in the style Seduction. Right, guys, so this is the completed look and I'm proud. I'm so proud. Okay, let me know what you guys think of this look. I absolutely 100% love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and come back. Okay, come back to see what else I got going on. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.